Welcome! If you've noticed your steps getting shorter, your balance feeling uncertain, or maybe you feel nervous while walking on uneven ground, this practice is for you. Today we're going to retrain your walking pattern using Tai Chi walking or Tai Chi weight shifting so that you feel steady and confident again. Let's get started. Feet underneath your hips, soften your knees. Try to bring your focus down to your feet. Let's shift our weight so that 100% is in one leg. So lifting up that other heel. And then let's shift to the other side. So once you switch all the way over, take a moment to pause. Feel what this feels like. Make sure that you have almost 100% of your weight in this leg. This one is rather empty. So we're just learning how to support our body with 100% of our weight in one leg. Most people lose balance because they never fully transfer the weight. So this is how we start to bring that awareness with a simple exercise that you can do anywhere and anytime. Just shifting from side to side. So all we're doing is we're going from one side to the other and we're lifting up this heel. So now there's just a little bit of tiny weight. And then we shift again to the other side. And we go back and forth. Now, how we get our balance is we keep our knees soft. When our knees are locked, that's going to affect our balance as well. So this is the first step. Then we're going to get into our Tai Chi walking now. So this means that we're going to move back in our space. And we're actually going to become aware of how we walk. So maybe you just take a few steps first. And you just notice how you walk. This could be in a little circle in your room. This could be from side to side, okay? But what we want to notice and what we bring in with Tai Chi walking is that when we step, it's heel, ball toe, bend your knee. And we're pushing off the back toes. Heel, ball toe, bend your knee. So we want to transfer that weight completely, just as if we were going from one side to the other. So if you turn and move with me to the side, heel, ball toe, bend your knee. Push off your back toes. So we're actually propelling ourselves forward, moving 100% of our weight into this standing leg. And we're just pushing again and again, but we're bringing this awareness. Now, if it's possible, try to keep your head level. Look out at the horizon and just try to keep yourself upright and push heel, ball, toe, and then push off your back toes. So all we're doing is we're retraining ourselves with how we walk, being aware that 100% of the weight is now in the right leg. And then we're gonna step, and now 100% of the weight is in the left leg. And we're just retraining our brain to say that this is safe. We are comfortable and we know what we're doing, transferring from one leg, 100% of the weight to the other. So we are walking continuously, and this builds confidence. This is not about speed. It is about control. So we want to be aware of everything that's going on. So as we're walking, we want to think about lifting all the way up through the crown of our head. Soften your shoulders. And remember, we do want to engage our core or our belly slightly. So we're lifting up nice and tall and relaxing down. And we're just becoming aware of that pushing and propelling forward. So we're moving nice and slow. So we have this moment where we can pause. The toes are barely touching and we have 100% of our weight in this leg. And we do it again. And we pause and we notice how we feel. So it's this deliberate weight transfer, this heel, ball, toe, just back and forth. Let's do a little bit more, just a few more rounds back and forth. How does this feel? What's going on in your body? Notice. Okay? The other thing, when we practice, if we have lines on our floor, this can be really helpful. because we want to keep our feet about hips distance apart. We don't want to cross. When we cross, that can affect our balance as well. So we actually want to make sure that we have that little bit of space as we propel ourselves forward. So that pushing and keeping that space so that everything is stacked as if we're shifting from one side to the other. So let's do a few more rounds. Let's back it up in our space or to the side, depending on your shape of your room. And just notice how this feels. Propelling yourself forward, bringing that awareness to lift up, shoulders down. Slowly transferring the weight and then returning to the other direction. So can you feel heel, ball, toe, push off, step forward. When we slow things down, it gives us this extra moment where we can really feel this weight transfer from one side to the other. And we get this feeling of confidence because we can fully support our body. The other thing that this teaches us is body awareness. So it brings our focus down to our feet so that if we're on uneven surface, it's kind of like a cat testing the ground. You've rolled your whole foot and you've decided, okay, this ground is solid. Now I can put all of my weight here. And then you do it again. And you roll that foot. Okay, it's solid. Now I'm going to pour my weight in. And we're just propelling ourselves forward while making sure that the ground is steady underneath us. Again and again, full weight transfer. Do you notice how different this feels from just rushing your steps? We're just slowing it down. You're doing everything you were doing while you normally walk, but we're just slowing it down a little bit. Now we can increase that speed once we feel more confident. But first, we want to slow it down. We want to bring that attention to our body and just notice, how do we feel as we shift from one side to the other? This simple activity is something that you can introduce to your everyday life. Tai Chi isn't just about practicing when we do forms. Tai Chi seeps into everything we do with this proper alignment. So if this helped you feel steadier, there's more videos on my channel that you can do next to help strengthen your legs and improve your balance even more. Remember, even a few minutes of mindful movement will truly make a difference in how you feel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon.